things: oxygen, polite bacteria, clean water. Next, he held the paddle. What's it made of? Wood? Another half gone. It's cellulose, lignin, and water. A leaf landed nearby. Do you know what's inside this leaf? Tung Tung stayed silent. Another half lost. Epidermis, stomata, chloroplasts. Then came the rock. Stone, said Tung Tung. Already tired. Another half. Rocks are periodic tables in disguise. Suddenly, the boat flipped. The scientist panicked. I can't swim. Tung Tung pulled him to shore, smiling. Well, sir, not knowing that, you've lost your whole life.